Hey friends, if your Windows Start menu does not close and remains frozen on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First thing, why does it even happen at the first place? It happens because your system might be frozen, and I don't think it should be something specific to the start button. So here's what you can do. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. If the search bar is frozen as well, then right click on the what do we say, taskbar, and select Task Manager. If that is frozen as well, then press Ctrl Alt and delete. It will open the security options window and then open the Task Manager. Now right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select Restart. Okay, so this is to restart the Windows Explorer process, but there's one more thing. Is the memory usage or CPU usage touching 100%? If it is touching 100%, then there would be some process here which will be causing that high CPU usage. Okay, so in that case, you need to kill that process. Let's say that process is Firefox, or let's say that a process is Microsoft Edge. So right click on it and then select end task, but usually it doesn't. But if it is, then kill that process or troubleshoot it accordingly. You have many videos about troubleshooting it. And then if that doesn't help either, then just update Windows. Now this has helped me a lot of times, because when other solutions didn't work, I just understood that Windows update was stuck, and since the update wasn't installed, the computer was malfunctioning. So press the Windows key and the I key together, because if the start menu is not working, if it is stuck, then this combination shortcut will help you reach the settings menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.